There is hardly anyone on this planet who doesn't enjoy a gooey chocolate chip cookie. But did you know that these cookies were first created by accident? Don't believe us? Keep watching to know the whole story. The chocolate chip cookie was created by Ruth Graves Wakefield in the 1930s when she added cut-up chunks of a Nestle chocolate bar to her cookie recipe, hoping they would melt and create a chocolate cookie. Instead, the chocolate bits stayed intact, giving birth to the iconic chocolate chip cookie. People liked the accident so much that chocolate chip cookies became the world's favorite cookie. The best part is that they are easily available in any store, so you don't have to get into an accident to taste a chocolate chip cookie. And guess what? Ruth sold her cookie recipe to Nestle in exchange for a lifetime supply of chocolate. Isn't that a sweet deal? Here is another sweet deal for you. Like this video and hit that subscribe button to get a lifetime supply of delightful content. So, how are these delicious treats made? In a cookie-making extravaganza, each ingredient gets its moment to shine. Starting with white sugar, then brown sugar, and a dash of butter. The ingredients are put in a mixer that blends them until the butter becomes soft and creamy, and the sugars are evenly dispersed. Next up, our hero steps onto the stage, chocolate chips. These semi-sweet wonders, a perfect blend of bitter and sweet chocolate, join the party. Many people believe adding more chocolate chips makes a better cookie, so here is a tip. While it might seem like adding extra chocolate chips would enhance the cookie, the balance of ingredients is crucial for the texture and structure of the cookie. Too many chocolate chips can lead to a cookie that's too sweet and doesn't hold its shape well. Following their act, flour takes the stage, followed by baking soda for that rise and salt for the perfect flavor harmony. Before we get to what happens next, here is a question for the chocolate chip cookie lovers. Why did the cookie cry? Because its mom was away for so long. Then, finally, the last ingredients join the stage, whole eggs beaten, and vanilla made from beans harvested in Madagascar, Africa. Mixing resumes until everything is well blended. This takes about 5 minutes. The specifics of the secret recipe are closely guarded by the company. Why would they just hand it over to you and lose their business, right? But hey, who said you couldn't try some kitchen magic and figure it out yourself? Hint, it's simple math. The dough is then transferred to a machine called the former, which pushes it through round eyes, producing rows of delectable dough pieces of equal measurement. From here, the cookie dough can take 2 different courses. Flash freeze these rounds for sale to food service customers like restaurants who bake these cookies themselves or bake the cookies and sell them as ready-made chocolate chip cookies in tin boxes. Here is a fun fact for you. The world's largest chocolate chip cookie weighed over 40,000 pounds and was baked in 2003. It required over 5,000 pounds of chocolate chips and took 75 hours to bake. For the first course, in the factory, liquid nitrogen is used to swiftly freeze the dough rounds, solidifying them in about 5 minutes. Quality control measures are in place as the dough rounds pass under a metal detector to ensure they are free from any metal particles. The packaging process is entirely automated. The first station erects the cookie boxes, while the second station lines them with plastic. A conveyor belt moves the frozen, unbaked cookies onto automated scales. Once the scale reaches the required weight, the box opens and the cookies drop in. The boxes are sealed, labeled, and then loaded onto pallets. Pallets, housing the boxed cookies, are stored in a freezer until it's time to ship them out to customers via freezer trucks. For the second course, that is, online and catalog orders, workers carefully assemble gift tins. The tin is lined with a decorative cellophane bag, and the correct number of cookies is layered inside. The bag is sealed, the tin is closed, and the package is ready for shipping. And there you have it. The systematic process by which the company produces and packages homemade chocolate chip cookies for sale and gifting without requiring any kitchen adventures on your part. Do you know the myth about chocolate chip cookies? Eating chocolate cookies before bedtime causes vivid dreams. Do let us know in the comments if it's just a myth or if there is some truth to it.